I'm Jason with the All Things Open team. We're here with Rob. Please introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Rob Coyle with the Open Compute Project. I'm the Director of Technical Programs.
Perfect. Well, let's dive right in. What is open hardware and what are the advantages of using it?
Yeah, open hardware is created the same way that open software is. People are collaborating using open licenses so that they can work together and share and innovate more quickly.
Got it. What are some of the challenges that data centers are facing today?
Yeah, I mean, in the last 18 months, we've seen a rapid expansion in generative AI. That takes us from historically we were doubling compute load every 2 years. We're now doubling compute load every 2 months. And so with that, the infrastructure really needs to change, and our data centers need to change rapidly.
And what is there anything, I'm really interested, what are some of the environmental impacts of that, and what are some of the solutions around it?
Yeah, I mean, we're really densifying compute. So with that, you're consuming a lot more energy and you're producing a lot more heat. So we have a couple projects in the Open Compute Project around sustainability and cooling technology that really enables compute to be more efficient and then find things to way to reuse that heat and consume energy more efficiently.
Perfect. Well, I want to learn about the Open Compute Project. What is the Open Compute Project?
Yeah, the Open Compute Project is a global collaborative community focused on innovating data center hardware. We started by Facebook then 13 years ago and a handful of other collaborators to build the world's most efficient data center. And today it's grown into a membership of over 400 companies and thousands of engineers working together to solve data centers' most challenging problems.
Okay. Well, how is the Open Compute Project using AI technology to solve some of these challenges?
You know, we use it internal. Our teams are small, and we've seen our community leveraging AI in the community, much like other communities have. But we're really building for AI. We're serving these new compute loads that are using GPUs, liquid cooling technology. A lot of changes happening in the data center and computational infrastructure. So we're really in service to the AI a little bit than leveraging it.
Humans training robots, right?
Yeah, a bit.
That's cool. Do you have any tips, best practices, or new tools that you've been using lately that you want to share with the ATO community?
Hey, this is Todd with All Things Open. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. We've got a lot of new content coming we think you're going to be interested in. One final favor, be sure to go to allthingsopen.org, allthingsopen.org to see everything that we do. Back to the video.
Yeah, I mean, really leverage the community the best you can. It's the people in the community. I always walk away from these events being, energized and looking at things differently. So whether it's one of the local workshops, which I had the pleasure of joining earlier this year to really get involved in this community and understand what's going on, or come into one of these large events, really, reach out to your fellow open community members.
Sounds great. Well, we've got 5,000 people here, and there's a lot of knowledge transfer happening. Do you have any advice to help conference attendees apply what they've learned beyond the event?
Yeah, I mean, take notes of the high points while you're here at the event. So there's so much to consume, it can feel overwhelming. But when you get back to the office or back to your work, maybe look back at some of the things that you thought were interesting. A lot of these presentations get posted online. You reach out to the people that you've seen or maybe missed. And then for me, it allows me to look at my work differently, like rethink it, like why do we do it this way? And can I take something from someone else at this event and really change how I work going forward?
Got it. Is there anything else you want to add?
Thanks for having me. As a hardware guy who stumbled into a data center 15 years ago, it's great to be in this community, so I really appreciate it.
Cool. Well, thanks for your time, Rob. I really appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you.